Bluey and Bingo were playing in the living room when Mom asked, "Bluey, what do you think makes you, you?" Bluey tilted her head, surprised by the question. Because I'm Bluey?" Bingo giggled. "But what's special about Bluey?" Bluey thought for a moment, her tail wagging slowly. "Well, I like games. Lots of games. I love making up new ones." Dad chuckled. "That's true. You can turn anything into a game, even brushing teeth." Bluey grinned proudly. Later that day, the family went outside to play. Bingo wanted to chase butterflies, but Bluey suggested, "Let's pretend we're explorers looking for hidden treasure." Soon both sisters were crawling through the grass, using sticks as pretend compasses. "See?" Bluey said. "I can't help imagining." When Bingo grew tired, Bluey slowed down. "You okay, Bing?" Bingo nodded. "Just a little puffed." Bluey smiled warmly. "That's another thing about me. I care about my little sister." Bingo leaned against her. "Yep, Bluey's full of love." At dinner, Mom noticed Bluey staring at her veggies. "Everything all right?" Bluey shrugged. "Sometimes I get worried, like what if I can't do something right?" Dad reached over and patted her paw. "That's part of who you are too, Bluey. You feel things deeply. But you always find courage." Bluey smiled shyly. After dinner, the sisters played with their toys. Bingo asked, "Bluey, are you ever serious?" Bluey pretended to think hard, then burst out laughing. "Nope. I'd rather be silly." They rolled on the carpet giggling until Mom joined in. "Your silliness is what makes you shine," she said warmly. Before bedtime, Bluey climbed into bed, snuggling under her blanket. She whispered, "I think being me means I love playing, I care about my family, I imagine big things, and I try my best even when I'm worried." Bingo whispered back, "That's the best Bluey ever." Mom kissed them goodnight. "Bluey, your personality makes every day brighter." Bluey closed her eyes, heart warm and happy, knowing she was loved just the way she was.